In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize combo charts in Looker Studio reports. Combo charts combine bars and lines in a single visualization, which makes them perfect for comparing a primary metric like revenue or sessions against a rate or target like conversion rate or goal completion. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set one up and make it easy to read. Start by going to lookerstudio.google.com, sign in if prompted so you land on your home screen or workspace. From there, create a blank report. A new canvas opens and Looker Studio may prompt you to select a data source. Choose the source you want to analyze and allow access. Don't worry if you're unsure, you can change the data source later in the chart settings. With a blank report ready, click the combo chart option from the chart toolbar, then drag on the canvas to place it. You'll see a default chart appear using your data source's first available dimension and metrics. Resize or position the chart so you have room to work. Now the important part happens in the right side panel. In the setup section, choose the dimension that organizes your data, such as date, campaign, or product. Then choose your metrics. And a common approach is to use a volume metric like sessions or revenue, alongside a rate metric like conversion rate. Assign which series should be bars and which should be a line. If the scales are very different, place the rate on a right axis and the volume on a left axis, so both are readable. Adjust the date range, sorting, and any filters to focus the chart on the audience, channel, or time period that matters. Switch to the style section to improve readability. Pick distinct colors with good contrast so bars and the line are easy to tell apart. Set the bar width and line thickness and decide whether to show markers on the line. Turn on data labels sparingly for key numbers and fine-tune axis titles, number formatting, and min-max ranges to avoid misleading scales. Add grid lines and a clear legend, and position the legend where it doesn't compete with the data. If your series is noisy, slight line smoothing can help, but avoid over-smoothing trends. Before you wrap up, scan the chart at a glance. The story should be obvious. The bars show the main volume, the line shows the rate or goal, and the dual axes, if used, are clearly labeled. That's it. Your combo chart is customized and ready for your report.